Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about my hair, and I don't really talk about my hair because all my life I've never been able to find products that I can stick to and use all the time. So I never really delved into it. So let's start with the kind of hair that I have and like the kind of problems, so to speak. The first of them is definitely the frizz in my hair. The day that I wash it, it looks quite just like frizzy and unmanageable. The frizz in my hair is not the kind of frizz that you see traditionally. Like when somebody says that they have frizzy hair, that's not like my hair is not something that you'd picture. But there is some frizz in my hair, and especially the front bits, like they have never just like sat straight. The natural sort of shape of my hair is straight, but there's some bits and pieces that can get a little frizzy and just like unmanageable and weirdly wavy at times. So I was introduced to the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight, the #1 professional home care range that Matrix offers, and this range claims to achieve frizz-free and smooth straight hair. So before we jump into the products and discuss what they're about and what they feel like and all of that, I just want to mention that Matrix has made this whole range really accessible for you guys. I'll be leaving a link in the description box and you can just directly order from there and it will be delivered to your doorstep. My hair is just like sometimes frizzy, unmanageable, weirdly wavy, and my roots are quite oily. This range was actually designed for post straightening services. So when you get things like rebonding and keratin done, this range was actually designed to retain the benefits of those services for as long as possible, basically. And I definitely feel like the kind of the way my hair sits after using this whole regime, it looks like professionally done and not something that I just used at home. It like feels like a professional service. And this entire range also contains shea butter, which basically just deeply nourishes your hair. It conditions and protects your hair and also kind of tames the frizz for up to like 72 hours. Let's just talk about the products a little bit. This is the shampoo. Then I've got the conditioner as well and the serum. So let's just talk about the shampoo first. Before I say anything about the shampoo, I really need to give a big shout out to the bottle, like the packaging and everything. Because me being such a skincare fanatic, my bathroom, like it's always filled with like bottles of stuff, my makeup removers, moisturizers, cleansers and everything. Like the shelves on my bathroom look so crowded that my dad has a joke about it, that he says it looks like a government like dispensary. So I really appreciate the fact that it's like a very long and slim bottle. It takes quite less space to just like store. So I really appreciate that. And then talking about the actual shampoo, because I have such oily hair, I definitely have to wash my hair twice. And even with that, sometimes I feel like the grease just does not look completely gone sometimes. But with this one, this is the longest I have gone without washing my hair, because it really stopped the oil from coming through. And I really like the formula, a good like solid shampoo. Then as for the conditioner, lately I had been using hair masks because conditioners just weren't doing that much for my hair anymore. Because when I was working, I was constantly out of the house, so there was a lot of just like damage to my hair around that time. I had to switch to hair masks, but when I was introduced to this one, this actually leaves my hair feeling like I did use a mask, but it's like a conditioner, so it's much thinner in formula and consistency than a hair mask would be. And I can definitely feel the immediate sort of change in my hair. Like even as I'm washing it away, I feel the difference in my hair when I touch it. And my favorite product out of the whole collection has to be the serum. So I'll just quickly include a clip of like the application process, like how you're supposed to apply the serum.
So the easiest way to go about it is to divide your hair into 2 sections and pump out some product on your palms. I just like to give it a quick rub to just heat up the product a little bit, and then I just basically comb my hair with my fingers with the product, starting at the midsection, and try to focus on the most of the product at the end.
So that's basically how you apply it. I love the consistency of the serum because when you pump it out initially, it definitely feels a little thicker than a regular oil or serum. But when you're applying it to your hair, it does not feel like anything. It's so lightweight, basically feels weightless. And I immediately noticed a huge difference in how my hair just looked immediately. So I used it on sort of like damp hair, so my hair was not soaking wet like right out of the shower. I put my hair in like a towel turban situation, and when I take it off, my hair is still wet, but it's not like dripping wet, it's like damp. So that's the stage I like to apply my serum in. And you start at the midsection and then you just like comb your fingers through, and I like to concentrate majority of the product on my ends. And the conditioner application is also quite similar. You're never supposed to put serums and conditioners on your scalp. Just try to focus them on the ends, and like basically start at the midsection and then go towards the ends. And I definitely have noticed a huge difference. My hair was a really sad story before I was introduced to these products. I definitely, in just one wash, just one sort of whole process of using each of these products, I can definitely feel that my hair sits much nicely. It just like, because even with the front portions, my hair just tends to fly away a lot. Like, it's not frizzy, but it just wouldn't stay put. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but that's just how my hair is. And with the serum, I immediately noticed that sort of a difference. And my hair just immediately sat in a way that I've always wanted it to. That's my sort of experience with the products. I really like them. I would highly recommend all of these. If you would describe your hair as being unmanageable, unruly, unkept, frizzy, just like it doesn't behave, I would definitely ask you to try these products out. And I love the fact that it's so accessible now. You just have to click on the link in my description box below and you can directly order from there, and it will be delivered to your doorstep, so there's no hassle. In closing, I would definitely like to recommend the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight, the #1 professional hair care range from Matrix, to all of you. If I had to recommend one product, maybe just start with the serum. This is a chef's kiss. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.